hours of Friday afternoon. Pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. There are only 5 going into the air on this one, and inside of the top 64, we're already featuring 4. We'll see if we can get another one up there. Now, right on the bubble unofficially is 3 laps 2:13, and I have a couple DVR reviews to do that I'm trying to squeeze in, but we're a little busy, as you can imagine, up here. So there is one that may affect that top 64 for sure. So even though I want to talk about that bubble time, I don't know if it's a bubble time. I know it's give or take. And now I think that wind has settled down. We are at the witching hour, and we are racing hot. Let's watch Jerrod cross over, then Sheepers and Maker FPV, 1, 2, 3, and on to lap number 2. We go with them. We started with 5, and now here comes King to round out lap number 1 through our tunnel. Things are now happening for King. Bam. And oh no, Bam for real. Crashing out on the far side. We're going to see if Turtle Mode is going to make an appearance here for King. See if we can get him back up again. Watching Jerrod going low side of the tunnel. Remember the last time we saw him, I told you the Team Falcon X is ripping it. The 10B bus. That's Jerrod, Falcon X. That's Jaws. That's White Noise. And Nurk, they all travel together. Those that drive together, fly together, and they're all just pushing each other to the limit here. And we're seeing some shuffling up. Jerrod right now, number 15 spot overall. You want to see some good lines, look to the top left-hand corner of our DVR screen, race band number 1. You're watching line of sight. It's this one coming through the tunnel right now and around to our Soaring Sky start finish line with a 29.4. So lap 1, 2, 3, 35, 30, 29. But we're going to get 4 laps in this session. Laps 2, 3, 4 are solid for Jerrod. 30, 29, and we'll see what this last one is. 13 seconds still on the master race clock, as it looks like we're just down to the 2. Jerrod on lap number 4 and Flycucks on lap number 3. 5 seconds ago, and it looks like it'll be a checkered flag when they come around, working their way out of the Tornado Tower. Checkered comes out for Jerrod as he crosses over through Soaring Skies. 4 laps in 2:03, the official time. He had a 30, a 29, and a 28, and that bus keeps pushing itself further. He moves up 1 to the number 14 spot overall. 3 laps is fast 3. 3 laps in a minute 28. A nice run for Jerrod in that session right there. We rounded things out as well. 3 laps coming in for Flycucks. 3 laps in 2:12. And that is going to move him up a bunch. Let's look at some digits. And stand by. Maker FPV rocking 3 laps, 3 hot laps, Maker. 38, 32, 31. Moving up to the number 30 spot overall. Good job. I don't know if you guys know who Maker FPV